Welcome to Book2net. This is a demo video for customers and distributors. If you only wish to see certain excerpts of the video, please pause now for a table of contents. The Scanner Ultra by Book2net is a versatile industrial scanner which is especially fit for use in archives, libraries and digitization centers. The camera is designed in-house by Book2net and is the centerpiece of all devices. It is a 71 megapixel camera developed and produced by Book2net. It has no mechanical shutter and therefore does not face abrasion and is maintenance-free. The camera is distortion-free, chromatically corrected, has little heat development in operation and is of industrial quality. We work with single-shot matrix sensor technology. The sensor has a lifespan of 25,000 continuous working hours, which amounts to 50 to 70,000 actual operating hours. This is why we use industrial standard sensors in comparison to consumer standard sensors, which only amount to 1,500 to 2,200 operating hours. Dual LED lighting units assure even illumination of the templates. They are adjusted in a way as not to blind the operator and do not heat up during scanning. The slow light up avoids flashes and is especially operator friendly. The lighting units are manufactured according to the highest industrial standards at Microbox. The A2 book cradle offers different applications. There is a base plate for creating continuous work surface and a book cradle with automatic height adjustment. This concept is found in several different devices. To digitize books which cannot be opened completely, there is an additional V-shape feature. Additionally, the user can limit pressure on valuable originals with the help of the bookspan exemption. In order to always digitize templates in the ideal focal plane, the motoric book cradle can be adjusted in height with the remote control by 12 cm. The system can be upgraded to A1 if needed. The motorized glass plate is made of single-coated, reflection-free museum glass. It is gentle on originals and has built-in pressure control as not to damage the templates. All devices work with the same software, qu'au. Different tools help the operator to generate an ideal scan. Select between color and output format, setting frames, switching languages, saving to email, USB stick or computer, or initiate a scan. The live video preview is an essential part of frame handling, since results are visible even before scanning. Fully automatic recognition, alignment and framing of templates is possible. Using the software module Easy Scan Live Control Professional, the operator can view the result even before scanning. This helps to avoid rescanning and scanning mistakes. The intelligent automatics recognize single pages, double pages, stapled documents and files, books, or two single documents at the same time. The software can be maintained remotely and is updated frequently by our team to assure consistent quality. To include our scanners seamlessly into applications such as BCS2 by Imageware or scan-on-demand applications like Subito, we offer an SDK. Other third-party applications can communicate with Book2net systems via a Twain interface. To ensure highest user comfort and productivity, there are different options to triggering a scan. Via the mouse in the user interface, via the keyboard, via remote control, or foot switch. Scans are taken at a resolution of 400 to 600 ppi and in accordance with digitization guidelines such as ISO-TS, Metamorphosi and FADGI. Scanning takes place at 0.3 seconds, processing at 2.2 seconds, amounting to a total cycle time of 3.8 seconds. This makes scanning with the Book2net Ultra incredibly effective, and the speed of scanning eventually is dependent on the operator. A huge variety of templates can be digitized: books, loose pages, folders and brochures, photos, and many more. When digitizing structured templates such as seals, an amazing depth of field can be achieved. Book2net technology is especially environmentally friendly due to its durability. A single machine will live at least for 10 years and can be upgraded with new camera and sensor technology. The system consumes very little energy. Due to special LED lighting, radiation exposure is close to zero and infrared and radiation free. All Book2net systems are remotely maintainable, and support is available in 16 different languages.